put the key on first. Lights are on. Okay, start the engine now. Start it very smoothly. Lights are gone. No problems at all. Okay, let's try to accelerate and check out the RPMs movement. Okay. From here as well. Okay, so as you can see here, the RPMs move and go up very smoothly. They're very good. This is window control here. Windows are working perfectly. Let's try the other side. Perfect. So this one here. This one is perfect as well. Okay, look at the seats here. They're not leather, but they're very clean. Here, there's nothing here, it's just... Okay, let's check other functions in the car. There's a navigation here, screen. We got the radio, let's check out the radio.
미니는 무료고요. 자, 김현철의 골든 디스크 1부는
해야 되겠네요.
네, 그렇게
세고비아가 영감을 줘서 폰세가 바이스
Audio works perfectly, no problem at all. You can also, we have the AC temperature. Let's put the temperature down. Or it as low as possible. Okay, this is low. Fans. You can change mood from here. But let's put it here. Wow, cold air is very strong. It's coming very cold. No oil, no smoke's coming out. Scratch here. There's a little bit of rust in here. It's the only door that has a bit of rust.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398. Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.